Because if you are moving a plane, not in that speed, the other speed the plane bá fẹ́ land ni. So it's unprofessional. Then, only tó bá yẹ pé greedy, tẹ́ bá mọ̀ tó bá níyàn wà greedy, kí ló cost ẹ láti gbé ọtí lẹ̀? Tó bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé o lè abide by the rule, olówó lọ ra private jet and stop flying locally. Tó bá mọ̀ pé o lè bá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀. Tó bá mọ̀ pé o lè bá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ kó gbọ́, ó pè rẹ̀ lólówó, go and buy a private jet, get yourself one. And stop considering nuisance. Ó kàn bá wa Yorùbá lójú jẹ́ ni. That's my contribution. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Chieflos.
Shouting. So let me clear some things out here. Okay. We Nigerians, we like to be sentimental on a lot of things. And we try to act like we want the rules. Can anybody hear me? Hello?
We can hear you. We can hear you.
Okay.
We can
We
hear
like
you.
to act like because of our emotions, things should work in our way. I have a little bit of aviation history, so I'm going to say it how it's supposed to be. Alaji is wrong. Number one, he has no business on that tarmac. No business at all. If he had not been cleared to board the flight, it means that he went to the tarmac with his arrogance. That's why he's on that tarmac in the first place. Now, those guys with reflective jackets, those are the guys that were supposed to take him off of the tarmac. Now, that's why everybody has their designated duties. As a pilot, your eye view, you have some feet that you cannot see as a pilot. That is why it is mandatory that when you are on the air side, you have to wear a reflective jacket. It is important that you wear a reflective jacket. You understand? So he is not wearing the reflective jacket. They are not going to say him. We are the ones saying it because it's a video. But on the pilot side, he sees nothing. He is blind. That's what they call it. That is his blind side. He sees nothing. And another thing I want to say is that if that pilot is not clear to taxi, he would not move an inch. That is how strict aviation movement is. And when they claim for taxi, he would reconfirm. It is important that he reconfirms from the ATC. He would ask again, say again, clear for taxi. And they will tell him, XY, plane, whatever, you are clear for taxi. So that is what that pilot is doing. If we take it to court now, the questions will be, who gave Wasiu permission to be on the air side? Nobody. Does he have reflective jacket? Nobody. Is the plane clear for taxi? Yes, that plane has been disembarked. Like nobody can join that plane anymore. That it means that they have denied him boarding. That's what it means. It means that he has been denied boarding. That plane has closed and is clear for takeoff. We don't know how many minutes or hours that he has held that plane hostage for. We are all passengers. It is not a private charter. It is a passenger flight. Every other person has a place to be at. So if one person is causing trouble because I have to be on this flight because of a bottle of alcohol or whatever it is that is in his flat, they have told you that stuff is not allowed to board. Simple terms, trash it. Put it out. You cannot be holding about maybe another 100 and something packs hostage because you want to board a flight. So if anything happens after that you have been denied boarding, sir, that pilot will not be suspended for anything. As a matter of fact, that pilot is just doing his job. The air traffic control has cleared for taxi. The plane has been shut down and cleared for takeoff. He has no business to be on the tarmac. The tarmac securities have told him to leave the tarmac.
This is
so at what point is it is not, we are saying that maybe the plane is moving at XY speed. We don't know the takeoff point of that plane. It did not just start taxiing. It might have been taxiing 10 minutes ago or 5 minutes ago. We have so many things that we are blind to. So we cannot just sit down on one platform and say that there is no emotions when it comes to aviation. If everybody follows emotions, then it means that it is no longer an institution that we can trust. XY has been banned from boarding. The plane has been shut down. The plane has been cleared for taxi. Full stop. Pilot in the bed. If they ask pilot will say, it was in my blind side, I saw nothing. And the judge will ask, does it have a reflective on? No. Does it have clearance to be on the tarmac? And that's why you need an ODC to be on that tarmac. You must have a clearance. And before you can even carry your ODC, you must also have your reflective jacket on. Laro, Rosso, Laleo, that yellow jacket that we are seeing that looks like it's anything. It is very important to that pilot because they have a lot of blind views and blind sight that they can see. Wasiu is arrogant. He is pure arrogant. Do you understand? That value jet has no business with him. They should go and deal with the ground supervisors. He has no business to be on the air side. And this is my submission. I check out from this point. That pilot did not single-handedly move that plane. No. That's what I'm trying to clarify here. He did not. If he did not have clearance and he has reconfirmed clearance, he's not going to leave that spot. This is my submission. Thank you, everybody.
Where is he supposed to be denied boarding? Is it at the gate or at the entry of the aircraft?
That's what I said, sir, that he has been denied boarding from the gate.
I
His
ask you a question.
arrogance,
Where
his
at which
arrogance
point?
pushed him to the air side.
Don't use emotion. You are using
I'm not
emotion.
using
Let's be
emotion
professional
here.
now.
I'm telling you that he has been denied boarding. But at our
Where
own
is he
country
supposed to be
that we
denied
know,
boarding? I know
he
one
must
is
have
ought to
pushed
be.
himself to that air side. He must have found his way to that air side by himself.
Have you used air shuttle before?
Have I used
Have
what,
you
sir?
used Airbus shuttle before to the gate of the to the step of the aircraft?
I had a valid ODC before I traveled abroad, so I am telling you this
Good,
from
good
experience.
man, good. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, by virtue of experience and what you have, though I don't have it, but I know I travel series of time. I know
Sir,
that
you
where you
as
also
a
have been denied.
passenger, sir, as a passenger,
Man,
you cannot
I ask
tell
you a
us,
question. I expect you to answer me yes or no.
and I'm telling
Where
you,
is he?
yes, sir, he has been
Is he at the
denied
boarding
boarding.
gate?
He
Because
had
I
been
know
denied
if
boarding
I'm
at the
denied
boarding
boarding,
gate. Okay, sir.
if I'm denied boarding, it's going to be at the boarding gates,
Sir,
not
you are
at the
not
doorstep,
Wasiu.
not at the step of the aircraft. That is why I said even the methodology of entering the aircraft, it's even wrong. What if it was an anger? Is an anger?
Why would
Air
you be
anger.
on your anger and come to terminal? It's a playing
No,
ground.
air anger. Me o sọ pé bínú. Èyí tó máa ń
Okay,
keep more
here
keep more
anger.
sọ́lẹ̀.
Can you
Sir,
identify that
that
was the
is
meaning of
not
the
an anger.
anger?
We are talking
Because
about an
here
act of
anger or no
power.
anger, any sùúrù,
You don't
àǹtí
understand.
hold
You don't understand me.
Here
You don't
any
understand.
sùúrù, òyìnbó tó ṣe plain ló ṣe rèézà. Kò sí how no matter here anger, how anger you are, you don't have right to be on the terminal. You don't work on the terminal. Period.
We don't know how he
Excuse
found
me.
his way to the tarmac, and he cannot hold people hostage.
You are not placed there. That's not
flying.
your place. That's not your station. You don't work there. You're not permitted to be there.
That's what we are
What are you
saying.
talking about? How do you want to justify
You know,
it?
you are doing something that is contrary to this platform. The host can just drop everybody now for what you're just doing. Do you know that?
Sir, you are
I
asking
can
me
leave
a
the
question,
platform.
and
I'm
I'm
just came here to
responding
have my own
to
chip
you.
to eat. It doesn't make
No,
no
no.
sense.
Hold on. Hold on. Please,
I give it to you.
please hold on.
When you don't
Okay.
understand the difference
We
between
just want
anger,
to,
you don't understand
obviously, we just want to
ladder,
learn a
then it's a
lesson.
problem.
Bros,
Daddy
any
Baba
sùúrù,
today,
bros.
I'm
Any sùúrù, bros.
conversating with
Let's
I'm
ask ourselves a
conversating with the
question.
expert.
CJ,
Let's ask
hold
ourselves a
on.
question.
CJ,
In the word that you are
please,
saying
can we
now,
just
have you ever
hold
seen any
on?
rich man?
CJ, can you
Have
keep
you
mute?
ever seen any rich man dragging with
Kindly keep
pilots?
mute. When it's your turn, you make a submission, please. Kindly keep mute.
Can we just hold on, please? We are all
Calm
adults
down.
here.
Thank you.
We are all adults. Let us just do it one after the other.
I'm
We are
asking
just
the expert.
educating ourselves here.
I'm asking the expert.
Okay.
It's like being in a conference.
So, Mr.
I'm asking
Olatunde,
the expert.
what I said
Man,
again,
I
sir.
appreciate you. Wait. I appreciate you. You know the ethics of this thing.
Yes.
You know the ethics.
Yes.
I appreciate you. I'm not disputing what you're saying. But in what way could the pilot have done it that place will be free? Because number one, the man can never find himself forcefully by the step of the aircraft. He was being given clearance either from the gate or by Gbos shuttle. I don't know where it's coming from.
Mr. Babatunde,
To the net,
all of
and they
this
will
now, sir.
disembark them.
All of this now, sir, is between the ground officials and the security guys. It's no longer the pilot's business because the pilot's plane has been shot and he has been cleared for takeoff. However, Wasiu got to the tarmac is between the ground officials
But
and
he has been given boarding pass. He has been given boarding pass.
yes, but
Are
he
you not
was
taking
told
the cognizance
to
of that?
trash. Yeah, but he was told to trash whatever it is that he had that he cannot board with.
That's why I'm saying that immediately
You
it
get your
was
boarding
done. That was
pass before
done.
they check whatever it is that you have on you, sir. You know that, right? Your boarding
Yes.
Sir,
pass is at the point of
Daddy Baba
Okay.
today and cookies. See,
I think you are not getting my point.
there's a statement from Fan, and that the pilot even intervened that he should drop
Bless you.
that thing.
that is
So
it.
he insisted that he's not going to drop it,
Do you know
and
that
that's
simple
why
thing that he has
they
on
have
his
to.
hands, sir?
They removed him from the plane.
From the plane.
They
That
removed
single thing
him.
could cause an explosion. It's a threat to
They
life for a
removed
lot of
him
people.
from the plane.
That's the
So the
thing.
pilot himself intervened and ordered that he should be removed if he cannot drop it. he should be removed from the plane, and he was removed.
And
So
knowing the
he's
Wasiu
supposed
that
to
we
leave.
know,
He was supposed to now leave the
Mr.
channel.
Swaju, please, I just want to say something. Go ahead, let's
Ma, Mr. Shwaju, he was supposed to be handed over to the security.
and that was what they did, Mr. Babatunde. Those
No,
guys
no, 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 no,
green
no, no. I
jackets
didn't
were
say any
the
person of.
security.
Anyway, maybe I stand to be
Those are the
corrected.
security, tarmac securities and different from police officers.
Please, can you give order to talk, a chance to talk, please? Please, I've been waiting here for a long time, please.
Okay, way forward.
Okay,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Larry, would you kindly make your submission? Thank you.